Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just gonna be kind of like a chit chat and get ready with me. I already did my face just because earlier I had to go out and do some stuff. I cannot go out with like a bare face. I always have to have at least foundation on. So I had to put foundation on and I already contoured, highlighted everything. And it kind of sucks because this look that I'm going to be doing for you guys is really bold. And I know I'm going to have a lot of fallout, but let's just hope, let's just pray for the best. Hopefully everything comes out good. So yeah, and then I'm going to be letting you guys know like where I have been and you know, all that good stuff. So, if you guys are ready, let's get started. Okay, so the palette that I'm going to be using today is going to be the Morphe 35B. And the color that I'm going to take first is going to be this deep green sea color. So as you guys know, I don't set my lids with any translucent powder. It just works out a lot better for me. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take this deep green sea right here on the outer corner. And you just want to pat. And I'm going to go ahead and bring it all the way up to my brow bone. So you guys were probably thinking like, why hasn't she posted any Instagram photos or any videos? I think my last video was like on Thursday or Friday, I'm not sure. But for me, that's a very long time. Just because I try to upload every other day, at least. But my family was here. My parents came down from Kansas. My grandma was here from Mexico. So I just thought, you know, like, why not just get off my phone, get off all social media, lose all connections for the weekend, and just enjoy my family. I don't know, it had just seemed like a long time that I had seen my parents, which was like back in January, I believe. But for me, that's like a very long time. I'm used to seeing them like at least once a month, or at least once every 2 months. So for me, it was like a really long time, and I really missed them. And I was like, I'm just gonna get off social media and I'm just gonna enjoy them as much as I can. So that's what I did. And I felt so weird like not getting on my Instagram, not posting any pictures. I didn't really even do my makeup over the weekend. Like, I think it was like on Sunday that I did do like a look, but it was something simple. It was just a little bit of foundation, and I just threw some lashes on and a red lipstick, and I was out and about like that. I felt weird, but at the same time I felt really good, not, you know, putting on a lot of makeup, and you know, just something simple, something normal. I had told my mom whenever she got here that if we could do a video together, I wanted her to do my makeup and I was gonna do her makeup. I just wanted to see like if she really knew like how I do my makeup, which I doubt she does. But I don't know, I just thought it was gonna be really fun. I already had plans like on what look we were gonna do and all this good stuff, but the weekend just went by too fast, like super fast. And it was sad seeing them go. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm gonna go ahead and use this shimmer, and it's from Kylie Cosmetics. Looks like this, and it's kind of like a deep green sea also, but it's kind of glittery. Looks like this if you open it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add that on top of that deep green sea. Okay, so for my second color, I'm gonna go ahead and take this lime green from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add this on the center of my eye and just blend it all together. So all you want to do is tap again. I just think by tapping you blend it a lot better. You don't have as much trouble versus you just doing circular motions. I always tell my husband, like, if we would have to, like, would you move with me to LA? Like, I think I would love LA. Like, yeah, maybe, but I don't know. I think LA looks so much fun, but it just, like, you know, dealing with the traffic and stuff. If here, like, it's horrible, and I'm like, dude, like, in LA, it's like probably like 10 times worse. I don't know if I could deal with like all that traffic. I'm more like a country girl. Okay, so for my third color, for my inner corner, I'm gonna go ahead and use this yellow. Okay, so now that we have that blended, I think I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of black shadow out here in the outer corner just to make it a little bit more in that. So for my lower lash, I'm gonna go ahead and take that deep green sea that we used first. I'm thinking about doing a husband. Oh my god, I've been married too long. I've been married since I think like I was 17. Oh my god, I'm 26 now. About to be 27. And I still call him my boyfriend. But I was thinking about doing a challenge with my husband. I think I'm gonna let him like do my makeup, like my brows, my contour, my highlight, everything, to see like if he actually knows what his wife does on a daily basis. So if you guys like that idea, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and I'll get that up as soon as I can. Today I went to my son's special person kind of day, I guess you can say. Like, he had to pick 3 people. And the first one, right, like, was like the one that he would really want to go, and then if the first person couldn't make it, then the second person would try to go, and if the second person couldn't make it, it would be the third. So he picked me, right? That was the first one, so I was like, alright, I'll go, it'll be cute. And I didn't know, like, I seriously didn't know, like, everything. Like, I just thought he was gonna go up there, read a poem, you know, and like say something about me. But whenever I got there, like, oh my god, it was so embarrassing. There was like a lot of people, like all the 3rd grade parents there, and it was like at the library, so it was like super small, so like everybody was there. And you had to sit down like up there in front. It was my son's turn, like he had to go up there and sit down, and then I had to sit down right beside him. And then he had to read like the poem that he had wrote about me. But it wasn't even a poem, like, oh my god. He was like, literally, I think he was like the only one that was talking about me. Like, he made it seem like, oh, my mom like loves fashion. Like, I guess the poem was supposed to be like, why you love your mom so much. And then you had to give like 3 reasons why. Explain yourself why. And, oh my god. Like, he started talking about YouTube, how my mom does YouTube, how many followers she has on Instagram. She loves fashion, she loves makeup. I was like, dude. Like, he's making me seem like, you know, like, all I care about is fashion and makeup and YouTube and Instagram. And, like, everybody else was, like, you know, talking about, like, why they love their mom so much, or their grandpa, grandma, whoever they had. And my son was, like, the only one talking about me. Like, just about me. And I was like, oh, my God. It was so embarrassing. Like, I felt like such a bad mom. But it was funny because like everything he was saying, like at least the people were like thinking it was funny because they would laugh, you know, so it wasn't like so awkward. But it was awkward for me. I was like super embarrassed. Okay, I'm just adding a little bit of mascara. It's the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. But as you guys can see, look how chiclosa it is. I don't think it's like the real one because I bought it at the Pulga. Yeah, at the Pulga. So, you know, like at the Pulga they always sell like all these like fake ass shit, but it was cheap, so I was like, why not? No, hombre, dude. And then he was like, like on one of those parts, he was like, it had like nothing to do with what he was talking about, and he was like, yeah, like one time I went to Sprouts with my mom and she buys me whatever she wants, and she bought me a $15 smoothie, and I was like, what the fuck? Like, I was thinking in my head like, hell no, I wouldn't even pay like freaking $5 for a damn smoothie. Like, what makes you think like I'm gonna pay $15? And I'm sure like the parents, you know, because a lot of parents like shop there to like go buy their groceries. So I was like thinking like, I bet all these parents are like, dude, he's full of shit, like what the hell, like why is he like saying all this? But it was like so embarrassing, like he just made me look bad. But anywho, I was gonna go ahead and add eyeliner on top, but I don't know, like my son made me feel kind of weird. Like today he just made me feel horrible, like I'm a horrible mom, but I know I'm not. But I think I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it like this. I'm just gonna go ahead and add my lipstick. I bought a new lipstick yesterday. Let me show you guys. And it's from NYX. Looks like this. It's like a grayish brownish color. I don't know, I just love these kind of colors. Last but not least, a little bit of highlighter. And I'm using the Artist Couture, the Illuminati one. A little bit of spray. And I use this one, the Mario Badescu. I don't know, this Mario one though. Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did and you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell so you guys can get notified every time I do upload a video. Like I said, I'm gonna try to upload a video every other day, so hopefully everything, I've been doing good the past, you know, few months that ever since I started YouTube, I've been doing really good, except like I said, my family came and all that good stuff. But other than that, I should be on track. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.